Olfactory mapping, a neural renaissance decoding the brain's smell blueprint. The perception of scent, a fundamental human experience, relies on a complex interplay between olfactory sensory neurons and receptors. Until recently, the precise mechanisms governing the mapping between this nasal epithelium and the corresponding neural pathways within the brain remained largely enigmatic, hindering potential therapeutic interventions for olfactory disorders.
This analysis explores the groundbreaking research illuminating this intricate process, highlighting its implications for understanding sensory systems and potentially reviving the concept of digitally generated scents.
The nasal labyrinth and receptor patterns, a mirror image of sensory processing. The efficiency of olfactory detection is intrinsically linked to the convoluted architecture of the nasal epithelium, a labyrinthine structure maximizing surface area for receptor interaction. However, the critical question of whether this physical arrangement mirrored itself within the brain, whether the spatial organization of olfactory receptors in the nose was faithfully replicated in the olfactory cortex, remained unanswered.
This study demonstrates, through meticulous investigation of mouse models, that the mapping between olfactory sensory neurons OSNs and olfactory receptors OS is indeed a precise, genetically driven process, creating a receptor map faithfully mirrored in the brain's olfactory regions. Furthermore, the researchers identified a critical role for basal stem cells within the nasal epithelium, maintaining this intricate patterning during regeneration, mirroring the auditory system's linear frequency detection method.
Decoding genetic patterning and potential therapies. Unlocking the secrets of olfactory development. The research unveiled an intricate patterning within the nasal epithelium, meticulously controlled by gene expression within the basal stem cells, ensuring the continued formation of this receptor map. This discovery presents a significant advancement in our understanding of sensory system development, suggesting a recurring blueprint across diverse sensory modalities.
Critically, the findings offer potential avenues for therapeutic interventions targeting olfactory disorders, particularly those arising from disruptions in neural wiring, such as those observed post-SARS-CoV-2 infection impacting the olfactory nerve. The ability to manipulate this genetic patterning could ultimately lead to targeted therapies for restoring or correcting the wired olfactory pathways, offering hope for individuals experiencing diminished or absent sense of smell.
Future implications: digital olfaction and neural restoration reshaping our sensory landscape. Despite the significant breakthroughs, the precise mechanisms governing this genetic patterning continue to present challenges, demanding further investigation into the complex interplay of factors influencing olfactory development. However, the identified principles hold profound implications beyond fundamental neuroscience, potentially reigniting interest in the development of digital olfactory technologies capable of synthesizing and transmitting complex scent profiles.
Moreover, continued research into this neural mapping system may ultimately unlock strategies for restoring sensory function in individuals suffering from neurological disorders, fundamentally reshaping our experience of the world through a deeper understanding of the brain's olfactory architecture.